Dude, check this place out. Oh my gosh. What? Oh, but the color coordination just keeps going and going. Look at how cute this is. $20. Oh, this is beyond overwhelming. Bread. And look at these fantastic glasses set. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the bunny bread sign. And the Wonder Bread sign. Oh my gosh. How I love that, even though it's a reproduction. That bunny bread sign, the big one. Oh my gosh, again. Look at the duck pull toy. $10? He's fantastic, even though he's got some damage on his nose. Holy smokes. Okay, I'm gonna start back here. Is he Snow White? I love the Blendo set. What's going on with the salt and pepper shakers? Look at these. $10. Oh my gosh, they're baking a cake. Sold. I've never even seen these before. And then the little lipstick holder. That's at $13. That's a little close. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. Look at the little hand-painted. Oh, so cute. And I love absolutely everything happening in here. It's all a little close for me, which I'm not upset about because this is gonna have a hard time fitting in the car. Thank goodness I did that Whatnot sale last night. That would have been a nightmare. And thank goodness the Postal Service picks up. Yo, what? I've never seen this one. Napco, 25 firm. How fantastic. And then this little dog figurine in here. Looks like a single shaker. I didn't even know these came in shakers. No, it's not a shaker. Why does it have a hole in its nose? Interesting. A lot of signs and mantique-y things. Love this glass. This shaker or whatever. I guess it's for making mixed drinks. Oh my gosh, look at this owl eyeglass holder. $30. Dang, I can't do anything with that. I've never seen this one, and it's got a little nick. Otherwise, if I was buying this as a collector, I wouldn't think twice. That is spectacular. I also love the old new stock shoelaces. So fantastic. Wow. Look at this stamp. How cool. Davy Crockett, raccoons. Rachel would be freaking out right now. More mantique-y stuff. And fish. Gosh, this display is everything. Look at all the old Girl Scout stuff. Wow. Yo, look at that. I wonder what the first number of that Scotty Dog pin says. It's probably expensive. It's so fantastic. If I see anything else case-worthy, I'll ask to get it open, but I have a feeling it's all gonna be about retail. And Christmas, I see what I believe to be, is that a Holt Howard mouse? Kind of looks like a Holt Howard. Okay, but also, this is $20, but the elf on top of the pig hors d'oeuvres holder, I kind of feel like it's an important thing. I don't know if I could make that much off of it. I'd definitely get a couple bucks extra, but Maybe not enough to justify $20 though. I've never seen it before. Oh my gosh, more Girl Scout stuff. Oh, and the Bakelite. 28. It seems really reasonable. What are these? So interesting, those cast metal animal things. Well, there's a few pieces of jewelry in here I can't see the tag on, like the mushroom pin and that pendant. I'm not sure. The flower. I have a feeling it will all be close, but there's so many things that are a little underpriced that I'm actually kind of curious. I think I'm gonna get in this case. Also that big black rhinestone. Yeah, there's a few things in here that I'm curious about. I see hair barrettes, and some of the prices are super reasonable, even at resale purposes. So I don't know what case this is, but I need to get in. I'm pretty sure those little earrings with the screw back and the rhinestones say $10, the rhinestone dice. I could be mistaken. So I did pick up the dice earrings. Oh, look at that cow. And a little cigarette lighter. I wish there was a way to show you everything in here. Oh my gosh, the salt and pepper shakers, $40. That's probably about what I'd get for those after fees. Take a break from the cases. What's going on in here? I love this style of glasses. So cute. Little lipstick holder. I really like the look of this booth. Oh, and all the little chandeliers. I have a small collection of those myself. Oh, this is a fantastic one. I've never seen one with the lucite base before. At $30 though, that's probably about what I'd sell that for too. I was getting ready to say I calmed down a little bit. Oh my gosh, the dice. Oh, that's fantastic. I'm gonna get a better look at that. Look at the great brooch. I'm sure it's expensive. This is the same vendor as I looked at before, I think. At least that's what it looks like. There were a couple things that were good deals even for resales. Oh my gosh, that metal mesh purse. Yeah, I think I might have to get in here too. Look at this shoe. And then the owl clip. Oh my gosh, the little keys. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Straight up. Rare salt and pepper shakers everywhere. I'm using my camera to help me. 16? Does it say 16 on the flowers? The ones in the back are 35. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get in this case. Look at the one. That one's 22. The Holt Howard are 80. That's a really good price for a collector. And these ones are 65. That's about what I sold those for. I love the pineapples. Oh my gosh, these double ones are only 18. And that's a really rare set. That one's at 125 in the back. The dancers. Oh, the pink skunks. Oh my gosh, the bluebirds. Those say 35. I'm getting those. Poodles, 28. The telephone serving dish salt and pepper shaker set. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Keys, please. But on my way to get keys, $5 each. They're missing rhinestones, that's why. Still fun. I love this bamboo one. Oh, whoa. This wood one. I wish it wasn't missing the stones. I know it's fixable. The red one. It's only missing one. I think I'm gonna get that one. For myself, at least. Oh my gosh, they were so patient with me. I must have been here for 20 minutes looking through this case. Now there was a lot that was close. However, I got all the little wood mushrooms. I got one of the flower sets. Now this one was at 35 and I was about to do it, but I noticed that little chip on the top. So I left it. I did get the little couple devil angels at 18. Some random knickknacks, the little elf figurine. I almost picked up the shoes. I thought they were neat. These were at 10. And I did pick up the souvenir of Texas with the cow on top. That was at 12, but I felt comfortable paying that much for it, especially because I'd never seen it before. I wanted to grab the Niagara Falls one, but they didn't have a price on it. And as for the bluebirds, at 35, I would have done it had it not been for the little bit of damage. I was also super into the Christ birds, but I don't think those sell for as much as I think they do, and they had a little bit of wear. And the cats at $40, freaking fantastic, but again, too much for resale, as well as the Winking Kitty set. But I got a bunch of fun stuff from here. I think I spent like $165 in this case alone. I wanted to get all of them, obviously, especially these ones. I thought these ones were giving the finger at first, but again, just too close. But there's more. The day is not that young, but it's young enough. And this little dog figurine at $6. I love that it's elongated like that. I'm gonna grab that. So I've passed a dog section, a horse section, cowboy section. There's all kinds of animal sections, but I've yet to see a cat section. Roosters. All right, well, I'm starting to wind down. I'm really curious what's gonna happen next door. Also, what in the actual, oh my gosh, I have to send my boyfriend a picture of this. He'll love/hate it at the same time. So I did go back to this booth. I know I could make money on a bunch of stuff here, but I'm starting to feel a little tapped out. Deer juice glass though, $5. All right, well, I guess I have to take these. Yeah, I have to take these. Rachel has always also been asking me for a real rabbit's foot, and I found one for her. Also, I'm getting this weird Elvis patch. Okay, so I got a gift for Rachel, and they gave me a bag of popcorn, thank goodness, because I was not prepared for this. I thought I would be halfway to Oklahoma City by now, but I spent $283 in there, putting the stuff in the car, and I'm going next door. Wish me luck, sorry I have hiccups. There's a lot going on right now.